let's begin with some breaking updates. The government's fact-check unit under High Court lens. Bombay High Court has said that the fact-check unit will not function till the court specifies the date. Centre assures that the unit will not function till 5th of July. The hearing is pertaining to comedian Kunal Kamra's plea that challenged the new amendments in IT rules. So that's the breaking update that we're getting from the Bombay High Court. The court asked for notification of the protection from parody and satire. In fact, Kamra advocate asks on fact-checking will operate or not. Court says till a date we specify, a fact-checking unit will not be notified. We won't act till 5th of July is the assurance that has been given by the ASG. Now, the matter stands adjourned at this point. Bombay High Court saying that the fact-check unit will not function till the court specifies a date. Centre assuring that the unit will not function till 5th of July. Order says so far a limited reply is filed, but since there is a proposed amendment, union needs to respond to that as well, and the reply in the form of an affidavit should be filed by June 6 is what the Bombay High Court order says. All right, we have Shweta live with us outside of Bombay High Court. Shweta, take us through the proceedings in the court that happened today. We believe that Bombay High Court saying that fact-checking unit will not function till the time the court specifies a particular date, and we believe that the centre has to file one more affidavit, which is why now the matter stands adjourned.
Well, that's absolutely correct, Radhika. In fact, this half-an-hour hearing was quite crucial in the form where we have seen comedian Kunal Kamra had challenged the new IT rules in the amendments that fact-checking unit is curbing the freedom of speech and expressions of an individual. And here, few important points which has been observed by the court is that firstly, the state began their argument. ASG was representing the state, and he said that we will take time for the compilation. And over to which it has been seen that the new provision of IT Act, the actions cannot be taken till 5 July. This is what the central government has stated in the Bombay High Court. Over to which the next hearing will take place on 8th of June, but before that, on 6th of June, as you have rightly mentioned, the affidavit has to be filed with the new compilation so that it can be notified. Now, talking about the hearing, it was about the Kunal Kamra challenging the constitutional validity of the new, the IT rules which has been made, and here it was the locus of, in fact, let me tell you, of Kunal Kamra was that it has no protection from the parody or satire which has been made or which will be being made against the government. And this is what even the court observed in their entire rules. It has been seen that there's no protection from the comedy, what the centre government has not provided. Over to which we are also noticing that the Ministry of Electronics and Information and Technology stated that they can tag a content if they see it is misleading or it is going to the FCU for a concern with their news content. Over to which senior counsel Mr. Khambata was representing Kunal Kamra, to which he stated that that is their concern, that how it should be notified that whether a content is just a satire or it is again a curbing down on an individual's freedom of speech and expression. Radhika, in this entire hearing, it's been seen that two crucial dates. On 6th, the affidavit has to be filed by the central government talking about the compilation so that it can be notified later. The next hearing is been kept for 8th of June.
All right, so the next hearing is kept for June 8th is what you're saying. A statement is clear that such rules will not be notified till June is something that the court has said in its order. Thank you, Shweta, for bringing all those details.